Hey, come on, get out of the mud. You're gonna play at 100 yards and you think the mud gets fun. Watch your wig.
Chica, quiet. Chica.
Hit one of the pillars. She said, I don't know what I'm going to do. She said, I think well, I said, go over to see my friend.
Hello, my nephew.
She was a little hesitant for a while. But I ran into her today and she said, you know,
dog run.
I did go over to your friend and she said, thanks. He said,
yes, where are you?
He was unbelievable. And he did an unbelievably good job and was
back in Indy?
incredibly fair with his price.
Yeah, what are you doing over there?
Good.
Anything? No? Just chilling?
I'd like to see him.
Yes?
I'd like to see him get himself going again.
Good. So
if I can send anybody over to him, I do.
The chicken you work at, do they usually close down during spring?
Chica, quiet. Chica.